guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm explain how to change your date setting. So just I'm click on date and now 3 a.m. Okay, now click on setting and adjust date and settings. So now set up time zone automatically. So now you can change set and date time manually. So I'm just change and date, and now you cancel. I'm just time zone, do not additional, and because I'm not change my time zone. Okay, hold up. So guys, I'm change region United States, and I'm just go now at time set to Japan. So I'll find Japan, then Japan. Okay, and region format recommendation in English United Kingdom. So now I am change English, just wait, an English US setting, US. Okay, some apps may need to close and reopen to see formatting change. Okay, change date formula and calendar, geographical calendar, and first day of week Sunday, and short date 4/5 and 2017, and select 5 April or just default it. Okay, long date Wednesday 5 April 2017. Okay, long time AM PM, so I need just second. Okay, and click back. So guys, I hope this video totally helpful, and subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye, next time chat with another new video.